Good morning, everyone. Today's presentation is all about why the future does not need us. And by the end of this presentation, I hope you all gain a deeper appreciation about fascinating world of technologies and a better understanding in this topic.
Ethical dilemma faced by these technological advancements. So what is technological advancement? Technological advancement occurs when technologies or applied sciences become more precise, accurate, efficient, or more powerful or capable. Number 1, Internet. It is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Genetic engineering. It is an important tool in research that allows the function of specific genes to be studied. Drugs, vaccine, and other products have been harvested from organisms engineered to produce them. Crops have been developed that aid food security by increasing yield, nutritional value, and tolerance to environmental stresses.
The ethical dilemma faced by this technological advancement. Number 1, helix and DNA test. Ang pagbabahagi ng iyong genetic data ay nagdudulot ng mga alalahanin tungkol sa privacy nito na maaaring gamitin ng mga kumpanya ng insurance, employer, o kahit na mga hacker. Social credit system. Patuloy na digital surveillance upang subaybayan ang katapatan ng mga mamamayan. Ang pag-uugali ay maaaring humantong sa pagkawala ng privacy at potensyal na maling paggamit ng data. Data chips implant.
Good morning, sir. My name is Joshua Domingo. The ethical dilemma faced by this technological advancement. Number 1, predictive policing using the data to predict and potentially prevent crimes, lead to profiling and violation of human rights. Ang sabi dito, ang predictive policing daw, sa isinisya ay kumukuha ng data mula sa magkakaibang pinagmulan. Sinusuri daw nila ang mga ito at pagkatapos ay gumagamit daw ng mga resulta upang mahalaan, maiwasan at tumugon ng mga epektibo sa hinaharap na krimen.
Moving forward to the next topic, future without people. But first, let me introduce to you who is Bill Joy. So, Bill Joy is an American computer scientist and a venture capitalist who has made a significant contribution to the field of technology. So, si Bill Joy is ang American scientist at isa siya sa may malaking na itulong sa larangan ng technology. In 1982, Bill Joy co-founded Sun Microsystems along with Scott McNally, Vinod Khosla, and Andy Bechtolsheim. Sun Microsystems became a pioneer in the development of powerful workstation and the Unix operating room or system. So, ang Sun Microsystems ay isang company technology sa Amerika kung saan si Bill Joy isa siya sa naging co-founder nito. Okay, next. Bill Joy's 1999 article, Why the Future Doesn't Need Us. He expressed his concern about the rapid development of the technologies like robotics, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology. He highlighted potential danger associated with this advancement.
Human and robots. A robot is a machine that can carry out a complex series of actions automatically. Robots are typically controlled by computer programs that define their tasks and movements. Sabi din dito, nagbibigay daan din ito sa kanila na magsagawa ng mga paulit-ulit na pagkilos ng may mataas na katumpakan o yakma ang kanilang gawi batay sa sensor input.
Robot autonomy. Tumutukoy sa kakayahan ng isang robot na kumilos at gumawa ng mga desisyon ng nakapag-iisa ng walang direktang kontrol ng tao. Ito ay maaaring mula sa mga simpleng pre-program na pag-uugali hanggang sa komplikadong mga kakayahan sa paggawa ng desisyon batay sa sensory input at mga real-time na sitwasyon.
Next is, autonomy refers to the ability to be self-governing and make your own decision. It can apply to individuals, group, or even organization. Ang autonomiya daw ay tumutukoy sa kakayahan maging self-governing at gumawa ng sarili mong desisyon at maaari itong magamit sa mga individual na grupo o maging organisasyon.
The powerful technologies in the 21st century are the nanotechnology, robotics, and genetics. Nanotechnology is a rapidly developing field that deals with the manipulation of matter on the atomic and molecular scales. A robot is the autonomous machines capable of sensing its environment, carrying out computation to make decisions, and performing action in the real world. Genetics is a fascinating science that studies genes, heredity, and genetic variation in living organisms. So, ito yung 3 powerful technology noong 21st century na kung saan na-mention ito ni Bill Joy sa kanyang article noong 1999. Moving forward to the examples of nanotechnology, we have 2 examples of nanotechnology. First one is water purification. Nanoparticles can be used to remove contaminants from water such as bacteria and viruses. So, ang nanoparticles ay tumutulong para maiwasan o matanggal ang mga viruses o bacteria na maaaring kumapit sa tubig at nang hindi ito makontamina. The second one is drug delivery. Nanoparticles can be used to deliver drugs directly to disease cells. This can be improve the effectiveness of the drug and reduce side effects. So, ang nanoparticles ay tumutulong dumiretso ang gamot sa may defected cells or disease cells at para maiwasan ang mga side effects nito sa ating katawan. These are the examples of robotics and genetics. Genetics engineering is the process of directly manipulating an organism's genes. Medical robots that can assist surgeons during the operation or provide rehabilitation therapy. Medical robots ay ginagamit kadalasan sa mga hospitals or medical missions kung saan ginaganap ang isang operasyon. What is the essence of your topic of your group presented? The topic discusses the idea that future advancement in technology, particularly artificial intelligence, robotics, and genetic engineering, could render human as useless. Essentially, these technologies could become so sophisticated that they be able to handle everything from physical labor to complex decision-making, leaving humans without a role in the future. As a group, do you agree with the list of the topics that you presented? If no, explain. Our group's been talking about this wild idea. What if the future just doesn't need us anymore? Imagine, robots so smart they can do everything we can, but way better. They could fix themselves, build things faster, and maybe even make decisions without needing our input. However, human creativity and our ability to make ethical decisions are crucial aspects not easily replicated by machines. The future might involve humans working alongside advanced AI, not being replaced entirely. Perhaps, even a world filled with advanced technology, our creativity, empathy, and ability to connect with each other will remain the things that set us apart and ensure our continued relevance. Perspective-wise, how is the topic your group have presented can directly affect you in our modern day? So, the idea of future without human might seems impossible, but it has a surprising impact on our world today. The rise of automation is already changing the job market, with some tasks being taken over by machines. This raises concerns that future advancements in AI and robotics could leave many people jobless. On the other hand, it also pushes us to consider how we develop AI. Will it be a tool that assists us or something that surpasses us entirely? Perhaps, even a future filled with advanced technology, our creativity, problem-solving skills, and ability to connect with each other will remain irreplaceable.